The Constitution is colorblind, and neither knows nor tolerates classes among citizens. The power to tax is the power to destroy. The law does not expect a man to be prepared to defend every act of his life which may be suddenly and without notice alleged against him. An unlimited power to tax involves, necessarily, a power to destroy, because there is a limit beyond which no institution and no property can bear taxation. The people made the Constitution, and the people can unmake it. It is the creature of their will, and lives only by their will. A constitution, intended to endure for ages to come, and consequently, to be adapted to the various crises of human affairs. It is emphatically the province and duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. The power to tax involves the power to destroy. An unlimited power to tax involves, necessarily, a power to destroy. To listen well is as powerful a means of communication and influence as to talk well. The Constitution controls any legislative act repugnant to it. The most lively fancy aided by the strongest description cannot equal the reality of the opera. What is it that makes us trust our judges? Their independence in office and manner of appointment. My father superintended the English part of my education, and to his care I am indebted for anything valuable which I may have acquired in my youth. He was my only intelligent companion, and was both a watchful parent and an affectionate friend. When a law is in its nature a contract, when absolute rights have vested under that contract, a repeal of the law cannot divest those rights. The government of the Union, though limited in its powers, is supreme within its sphere of action, and its laws, when made in pursuance of the Constitution, form the supreme law of the land. I have always believed that national character depends more on the female part of society than is generally imagined. Precepts from the lips of a beloved mother sink deep in the heart, and make an impression which is seldom entirely effaced. When a law is in its nature a contract, when absolute rights have vested under that contract, a repeal of the law cannot divest those rights. The people can act only by their agents and, within the powers conferred upon them, their acts must be considered as the acts of the people. The French Revolution will be found to have had great influence on the strength of parties, and on the subsequent political transactions of the United States. The events of my life are too unimportant, and have too little interest for any person not of my immediate family, to render them worth communicating or preserving.